Hey there, what's up guys? This is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going into this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe this channel in order to support this channel. I will be delivering frequent updates on crypto market and I will be doing technical analysis of certain Bitcoin prices. So we'll be seeing all the news, updated news. So please support this channel guys. So let's see what are the news we are going to see. We have massive news that is people love Bitcoin and Tesla. That is from TradingView. TradingView confirms that people love Bitcoin and Tesla. We are going to see this one, and we are going to see this one also. Will Bitcoin break $12,000? So 4 things to know heading into the weekend. So the weekend is coming. So we need to know why it is not breaking, what will happen, what are the things that is hurdling and making 12,000 as a barrier for Bitcoin. We are going to see that one, and we are going to see this one. This is more important, that is $99 gas fees on Ethereum are crippling DeFi's growth. Yeah, nowadays the Ethereum's gas fees is tremendous, and you can see because of the congestion on Ethereum and because of the scalability issue. So ETH 2.0 is needed. It's not only needed, it's necessary in order to reduce these gas fees, and also the ETH 2.0 have to be a scalable one. So it has to come quicker, because you can see the gas fees are increasing tremendously, which is affecting the DeFi's growth. So this has to be taken into account. This is more important for Ethereum because of its scalability issues in the Ethereum. Most of them are struggling with this high gas fees because congestion over Ethereum platform is high. We are going to see this one deeply, and we are having another rumor. It may be a rumor or it may be a confirmed news, but still now it's rumor, it is not confirmed. The main thing is JP Morgan plans $20 million investment in Ethereum's Consensys. It's that the news he plans to invest $20 million. So we are going to see this one. So before going into the news, we will be starting with market analysis, then we'll be doing technical analysis of certain prices, and then we'll be going to the news. So let's dive into this video. First of all, we can see the market analysis in the coin market cap. So today we have Bitcoin in the top 10 coins. We have Bitcoin 1.1% up, Ethereum 3.22% up, which is breaking the $400 barrier, $420 barrier, and it's now about $440. Bitcoin is still below $12,000. It's nearby 11,900. So in the last 24 hours, it's still up 1.1%, and XRP is up 1.58%. Tether, okay, it's okay. And Chainlink, we have a tremendous growth previous days. Now it's minus 3.79%, but Chainlink have able to make an all-time high. So we are going to see this Chainlink price in a separate analysis also. Okay, and we have Bitcoin Cash, and you can see the Chainlink has been overtaken this Bitcoin Cash. So Chainlink has attained the 5th position in the top rankings now, and we have Bitcoin Cash 0.91%, Bitcoin SV 0.19%, and we have Litecoin 1.2%. We have Cardano minus 2.05%, Binance Coin 6.29%. So in the top list, we have more gainers and we have less losers. And we can see the last 24 hours gainers, top gainers. We have top gainers Loopring 21.63%, Synthetics Network we have 18.2%, Thorchain 15.46%, Blockstack also 14.83%, Quant 14.82%. So these are the gainers today, and we can also see Icon ICX also having a much gain of 9.96%. So these are the top gainers. If we in terms of top losers, we have Aragon minus 14.18%, Swipe minus 13.55%, and we have Balancer minus 85%. And we have Numerai, but it has been pumping a lot during previous days, so now it's maybe the consolidation phase. You can see now it is minus 9.52%. AMP is fourth, minus 7.98%. So these are the losers today. So this is about the general market analysis. So now let's see the technical analysis of Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, and today we are adding another one, which is Chainlink. So first of all, we can see the technical analysis of Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin chart, 1 hour chart. So you can see 1, 2, that is the $12,000 barrier. Now again it tested. You can see it came near around, what is the high of this candle? Okay, the high is you can see 11,980. So it came almost near to 12,000. Again having a small rejection over here, but this time it's not dropped suddenly. Here it dropped after 5 to 6 candles. So here also we have to wait whether it is dropping or whether it is able to break this barrier. But you can see after hitting this level, then going down, then again making a high struggling, then it came near to that level, then broke down, then again it's now another time it's trying to break this barrier. So it looks like Bitcoin is testing more in this area. So in terms of resistance, we have to break this one, $12,000, and we have support at $11,500, and we have also support as $11,000, and we have major support at $10,500. So these are the support levels, major support levels. The price of Bitcoin holds above the $12,000, and also if it is holding near to $12,000, and if it breaks, we have a greater bull run. So this is about Bitcoin. And in terms of Ethereum breaks its major barrier. That's the thing. So you can see Ethereum have been testing this level, that is $420 level. It came near this and breaks. Then again it came near $400. So 420 is the barrier. So it was trading near to $420, and then it went to $367. Then it climbed up, and you can see it broke. Finally it broke $422, and now it's staying above this $422 level. That is good, because now this $420 will be acting as a support for the Ethereum price. And one more thing we can notice, you can see this is the, and wait a minute, okay, you can see up, then we are having this small U. Then we can see the price has just gone up from, you can see, $426 to highest $444. Same again, the U has been forming. Now you can see this one, this like this, and we having a small U. Again you can see, again we can see this line, then again this U is happening. So what I think is, you can see we can expect a price of up to $460 like this, and again, because it's repeating, but this is big compared to this one. So might be this will be then it is becoming smaller, then maybe it will be losing its buying pressure, and it will be also a smaller one. So we can expect that one if in terms of Ethereum price. So now Ethereum having a it broke that barrier. So in terms of resistance, further resistance is, we can see in the daily chart. So in terms of resistance in the daily time frame, we have the resistance at 493, that is around $500. We have a resistance. So after this level, now we have broken 422 and we are above 422, and now we are trading at 440 level. The next resistance will be $500, and our support will be, now the $422 will be acting as a support. So this is about Ethereum price. So we can expect the price may go up to $500. Then we can have a small correction or consolidation. Then if it breaks above, we can expect the bull run from that resistance. So next we are going to see Chainlink price, because we know that Chainlink was making all-time high, and in terms of day candle you can see the day time frame, it's not like a parabolic, it's like a straight up. You can see straight vertical line. So it went parabolic, and you can see that. So, and it made an all-time high of we have $18. It made an all-time high of $18. That is huge. And we can see how the price is behaving in 1 hour time frame. So in terms of Chainlink also, we are seeing the same thing is repeating over here. You can see now. I'm going to just make a copy of this until here. Okay, you can see the price went up, then we have a consolidation, then went up. So you can see the same thing is happening here. The price went up, we can see the consolidation is going over here. Again the price can go up, breaking this $18. So now $18 is all-time high. If this same thing was repeating over here, so you can see up, consolidation. Now we have again up, consolidation. So if this is repeating again, means you can expect this can happen here. You can see if I place this over here, we can expect a price up to $22. So this is not a financial advice. This is and for education purpose only. This is not a financial advice. So this is it can go up to $22. This is a small prediction, that's all. So if this happens again, if the same trend was repeating again, we can expect a all-time high of $22 in future. So this is what I want to show. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is about Chainlink price. If this happens again, we can expect a $22 price mark. So that's all for the technical analysis of the prices. And now what we are going to do is we are going to dive into the newses. First news is about TradingView that confirms it. People love Bitcoin and Tesla. So again, before going into this, just first we can see this one. Will Bitcoin break $12,000? 4 things to know heading into the weekend. So we can see this one since we have seen the technical analysis first. We are going to see this one. What it means is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole remain bullish as $12,000 comes into view once more as the market head towards into the weekend. So last weekend the Bitcoin price was below $12,000. Same thing happened. It went near to $12,000 and $12,000 was acting as a barrier. So again we have the next weekend. So now also the price is below $12,000 and it is heading towards $12,000. These are the 4 things that covers in this articles. You can see Bitcoin to clear $12,000 hurdle. Ethereum gas prices skyrocket. Small cap cryptos shine. Watch the Bitcoin and gold correlation. So we are going to see this 4. And Ethereum gas prices skyrocket. We will be seeing this as a separate article. So we'll be covering these 3 in this article. So you can see Bitcoin had to clear 12K hurdle. BTC price is tested its year-to-date high, briefly surging the past $12,000 only to fall back down into the same mid $11,000 range, and it has been stuck in for better part of the past couple weeks. So we know that the Bitcoin price is struggling to break $12,000. We have seen in the technical analysis, and it is ranging between 11,000 to 12,000. It's not going below that. First it went to 11,500, then it again came up and it touches $12,000, then it brought down to $11,000. So now it is ranging between these $1,000 range. And we can see the ETH also surged along with the gas fees, largely on the back of DeFi growth. But in terms of Ethereum, if you see Ethereum, it is able to break its barrier. It broken that $420 level, $420 level, and now it's above the resistance. but in terms of Bitcoin, it is not yet. So that is the main thing. And moving over the $12,000 hurdle was always seen as a key to Bitcoin retesting all-time high. Overcoming the gauntlet of resistance level between the $12,000 to $14,000 level would be followed by a vacuum all the way to record high, some analysts believe. So some analysts believe that after breaking $12,000, we have one more resistance at $14,000. So this is the main price ranges. That is, the resistance level is from $12,000 to $14,000. Once it breaks $14,000, there is a huge vacuum, which means there is no resistance at all, and it can go up to all-time high of $20,000. These some analysts believe that is there is a huge vacuum after $14,000. So the price may after breaking $14,000, there will be a parabolic, or there will be a huge bull run directly to $20,000. So $20,000 will be another major resistance because it's an all-time high. Most of the analysts believes that. So heading into the week, we have seen Bitcoin made a run at 12k level. That is a psychological barrier. Still, it's below that. So $12k is a major thing, and we can expect in future it will break and lead to around next resistance of $14,000. So this is about that news, and this is for the gas price skyrocket. We will be seeing another article in detail. And next is small cap crypto shine. You can see nowadays the small cap cryptos are shining better, and it is the small cap cryptos are making all-time highs. So this is most of the small cap cryptos are shining. However, we can see while the media focused yet another round of price swings by Bitcoin and ETH, the real movement was in small cap tokens. The main nowadays, the main thing is the small cap market cap tokens are performing great, which we can see which outperformed large cap counterparts by the ratio of 3:1. This is huge, guys. This is insane. You can see 3:1, which means the small market cap coins are delivering more output. The fastest growing world of DeFi is not without its risk and is well documented by Cointelegraph failure in the week. YAM Finance was an experimental DeFi protocol made the major headlines. You know that the YAM, you can see before 2 to 3 days, it was the major news in the crypto world, and it was most of the money was locked in that protocol, but it has fallen because of the bug. And you can see this is what the DeFi means. It has a higher risk and also it has a greater return. So most of them, anything which has higher risk will be rewarded more. That is the main thing. So you can see in DeFi there will be a higher risk of losing money, but in terms of returns it will be also higher. So that's a major thing. You can see the YAM protocol initially gained steam as the second purely decentralized DeFi project after Earn Finance. It deployed a decentralized governance model that enabled YAM holders to have a say across the protocol, Within 24 hours, nearly $500 million worth of capital was locked in. It's insane, guys. Within 24 hours, you can see nearly $500 million worth of capital was locked in. Great. In only for it to soon crash back down to zero after the discovery of rebase bug. You can see within 24 hours, nearly $500 million has been locked in, and because of this rebase bug, it went to zero. You can see initially the YAM opened staking pools for Compound, Avalanche, Chainlinks, Wrapped ETH, Wi-Fi, okay, all these things, tokens, but most of the tokens were used in YAM staking pools crashed after the bug occurred. There has been a bug that has been occurred. You can see despite the harsh session and reminder of the high risk that are involved, the market stayed strong recovery. Bitcoin was able to gradually recover into 11,500 zone, but the total value locked on DeFi tracked nearly record highs. You can see because of this bug, we have seen a greater drop from the YAM Finance. This is about the new project. This is about the major risk involved in new projects and mainly in new DeFi projects. So people have to be aware in investing the money in the new projects. So it's more important. You have to look on the team and what are they delivering. You have to see how they are active in Twitter, whether the community is good in before investing in any project. That is more important. Don't lose your money, guys. That is more important. So before investing in any of the project, do your own research. That is more important in terms of investing. You have to do our own research on the project and what they are doing, about the tokenomics, and what they are trying to deliver to the people, what are the surveys, what are the use cases. That's all the most important thing you have to analyze before investing into a project. Next, we are going to see that the Bitcoin and gold correlation. You can see before times the Bitcoin will be correlated with stock market. Nowadays, the Bitcoin and gold has a correlation. That is, Bitcoin and gold is moving. You can see if there is a uptrend in gold, you can see the uptrend in Bitcoin. So now the Bitcoin and gold has become an alternative asset for the stocks. So this is what happening on macro level. 1 month correlation between the Bitcoin and gold has begun to grow closer by the day, climbing all the way up to 68% before a slight correction. So in terms of gold, it had made a all-time high, and in terms of Bitcoin, it's also moving along with the gold. So there is a small price correlation between the Bitcoin and gold. This is what it was mentioned here. In olden days, there will be a price correlation with stock market. That is, Bitcoin will move along with the stock. If the stock crash, Bitcoin will crash. If the stock goes up, we can see the price of Bitcoin will goes up. So now it is decoupled from the stocks and other equities. Now it is moving along with the gold. In terms of now, Bitcoin become an asset like a gold. So that was mentioned in this. And next we are going to see this one. TradingView confirms it. That is, people love Bitcoin and Tesla. You can see in terms of stock, the Tesla is occupying a major position, and it went like during past months it made all-time high, and people didn't expect that much high and that much potential Tesla have. So now we can see what it was. All eyes on Bitcoin and crypto's largest coin by market cap, and Tesla, a future-centric car company run by electric billionaire Elon Musk. Thanks to standout year for both assets. You can see after COVID, the stock has been crashed during the COVID, during the start of the COVID, and Bitcoin also crashed. So Bitcoin crashed to $3,800, and stocks also crashed. And at that time, Tesla also crashed. So Tesla and BTC crashed, but in terms of recovery, both has had a greater recovery in faster rate. You can see Bitcoin recovered from $3,800 to $12,000 or $10,000 in around 2 months. That's a greater recovery. And in terms of Tesla, it also recovered a lot from $303 or $350, and it went to $1,750. So it also had a greater recovery. That was mentioned here. And you can see Bitcoin and Tesla earned their spots in the limelight, as both have rallied tremendously in the price over 2020. Bitcoin hit a low near 3,800 back in March as COVID fears were ramping up. The asset recovered fast, however, flying up to $12,000 in the following months, tallying the radical comeback. So it's a great comeback, because in shorter time it went to $3,800 and it recovered in a shorter time. So this turned the people attention towards the Bitcoin. So looking back on similar story, Tesla's price fell down near $350 in March before flying up to $1,750 by July, as if riding on one of its CEO's SpaceX rockets. So you can see Tesla price also fell down to $350, and it recovered faster to $1,750. This is insane, guys. So now, because of this faster recovery, most of the attention from the people and from the investors went towards, in terms of stock, the people are investing more into Tesla because they are expecting higher returns. In terms of crypto, you can see the people are investing in Bitcoin because majority of the normal people knows crypto means Bitcoin. So they are considering Bitcoin as a digital asset. So most of them are investing in Bitcoin. So this is a major thing that TradingView is mentioning in this article. And we are going to see this one. This is great news. It's not a great news. This has to be considered and this is a major problem with Ethereum. This has to be sought out in order to have a better future for Ethereum. So $99 gas fees on Ethereum are crippling DeFi's growth. So it's like DeFi's growth is the main block for this. DeFi's growth is this one. This is the gas fees. You can see skyrocketing Ethereum fees and exorbitant cost of interacting with DeFi smart contracts threaten the growth of this sector. So these fees may reduce this growth of this sector. You can see the surging popularity of decentralized finance protocols on Ethereum has contributed to skyrocketing fees, with the network processing an all-time high of $6.87 million in total fees yesterday. This is insane, guys. This is insane. This is not good. This is not good at all. You can see, speaking to Cointelegraph, that is Synthetics founder and CEO Kane Warwick warned that high fees were impacting the growth of DeFi. He's warned that one. In last 3 months, we have gone from an environment where DeFi was expensive to use and a little bit slow to now where for a lot of people it's prohibitively expensive. Yeah, because now before times you can see it's still expensive, but people can able to accommodate that money in terms of DeFi growth. But now it is it's not we can't afford this much gas fees. So you can see Ethereum fees have spiked nearly 100% over past 24 hours. As congestion saw transaction expenses smashed the previous high of $3.27. So it smashes $3.27. That is the previous high. So while the average Ethereum transaction fee is more than the daily income in many countries, the additional smart contract execution needed to engage with the DeFi protocols has seen users report fees up to $100. So this is insane, guys. This is because average Ethereum transaction fee is more than daily income in many countries. So this should be this has to be taken into account. This has to be sorted out pretty much quicker. So we can see the chart. You can see average transaction fees in USD. This was the previous high of around $4. Now you can see this has went up to, you can see that is $6, around $6. So it's like 2x of the previous one. So this is insane because $6 transaction fee is too much. And you can see it is mentioned that major roadblock to growth. You can see the Reddit user Willy3380 posted that to require a transaction fee of $99 is beyond ridiculous. This will be major roadblock to the growth if someone on team does not address it. So someone on the team has to address this because it has to be sorted out very much quicker in order to save the life of DeFi. That has to be sorted out quickly. And you can see this one from the Warwick. What he said is, Synthetics CEO, what he said is, Synthetics will launch the Optimism Virtual Machine OVM Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution sooner than previously planned. Already trailed on testnet earlier this year, L2 solution also enables couple of thousands of transactions per second rather than a current of handful of TPS transaction per second. We are focused on the OVM, and I think it will be sooner than 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months, to be honest. I think we will be transitioning faster than that because it's probably one of the top 3 things we need to nail. So what he is saying is they are going to launch an OVM, that is Optimism Virtual Machine. So this will be a scaling solution. You can see Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. So that will be a scaling solution which will helps to reduce the transaction fees. And one more thing is this is opportunity to dethrone Ethereum. Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum congestion problem are becoming increasingly important due to delay in the rollout of ETH 2.0. Mezari's head of the product Kwao Wang's asserted that Ethereum may face aggressive competition from rival scalable blockchain. This is insane because you can see Ethereum 1 is not scalable. That is, Ethereum is not scalable. Major issue in the Ethereum is the scalability issue. Because of the heavy congestion, we know that heavy congestion, since it is not scalable, because of the scalability problem, the gas fees is high. This is the result of Ethereum. So what Ethereum 2.0 is addressing is this scalability issue. If Ethereum 2.0 comes, the scalability problem will be sorted out, because Ethereum 2.0 will be a scalable blockchain. So this is what Ethereum 2.0 is addressing. But in terms of launching the Ethereum 2.0, because it has been stated in 2017 that is Ethereum 2.0, ETH 2.0 will be launching at that time, but delayed. Now it's 2020, and finally the testnet has been released. But in terms of mainnet, it is important, because mainnet has to come. The mainnet launch of ETH 2.0 delays means it will be a greater problem for ETH, because since you can see the price of gas fees is increasing tremendously high. In terms of, if it is in terms of a bull cycle, during that time you can see there will be a heavy gas fees in the Ethereum platform. So what it is mentioning is, now we have other ecosystems we have Cosmos, we have Fusion, we have Polkadot. So Polkadot is also coming. So these ecosystems are scalable, they are interoperable. So there are different advantages over Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum ecosystem. So then nowadays we have other ecosystem also. This what will do is, this will create a healthy competition. So now if most of the projects in Ethereum have high fees, if ETH 2.0 delays means, what will do is the new projects of DeFi protocols will go into other ecosystems, like Fusion have DeFi integrated protocols, and in terms of Polkadot and in terms of Cosmos, they are not directly integrated with DeFi, but they can launch dApps over the Polkadot systems and over the Cosmos system. They can launch the DeFi dApps over the Polkadot and Cosmos system. So we have other systems, we have other blockchains delivering much better than Ethereum. So there are chances that can divert the new projects to other ecosystems. This may happen in future, maybe. If ETH 2.0 is delaying means, you can say, I have changed my mind after using a dozen of DeFi platforms. So long as ETH 2.0 is not fully rolled out, there is an obvious opportunity for highly scalable blockchain to dethrone Ethereum. Paying a $10 transaction fee and waiting 15 seconds for settlement is just bad UX. See what he is mentioning? If ETH 2.0 is not fully rolled out, there is an obvious opportunity for highly scalable blockchain to dethrone Ethereum. So there are different highly scalable blockchain like Polkadot is a scalable, Cosmos, and we have Fusion. So what will happen is these projects may dethrone from Ethereum, and they can able to accommodate other ecosystems. So this is bad for Ethereum. So ETH 2.0 has to come as soon as possible in order to address these problems. So next what we have is, this is a small rumor. This is a rumor, but it's not a confirmed news. But what was the news is, JP Morgan plans $20 million investment in Ethereum Consensys. So it's huge for investment in Ethereum's Consensys. And what it is mentioning is, according to anonymous source at Block, financial giant JP Morgan is advanced talks to make $20 million investment Consensys. The Ethereum development studio could receive investment as a part of $50 million investment round, according to the sources. In addition, Consensys could merge with JP Morgan's blockchain. JP Morgan was developing their company was developing a blockchain, and their name is development unit is Quorum. So they are going to release a coin, that is, I think the coin name is JPM coin. That is a JPM coin in order to do business, which will be useful for B2B, that is business to business money transfer medium. JPM coin will be that's like a wholesale perspective, and there will be the business to business money transfer medium. So he is launching that one. So what they are doing is, the Consensys could merge with JP Morgan's blockchain, develop unit Quorum, development unit quorum. Ethereum development studio would be responsible for the support and maintenance of quorum. Maybe Ethereum, that is Consensys, will be the development studio. That development studio will be the support and maintenance for that quorum. They will be doing all the stuffs for that quorum. And JP Morgan's already stated that already started negotiations with Consensys in February of this year. So already they have been started the negotiation. Among the products developed by JP Morgan's blockchain unit, JPM coin designed to a stable coin. Yeah, JPM coin will be a stable coin and housed on the Quorum blockchain. JPM coin is a business to business money transfer medium. So Quorum blockchain also constitutes the financial giants interbank information network, that is between the banks and networks. The network has now expanded to 320 banks and that use it to exchange payment data on a global scale, supported by Quorum blockchain. Therefore, JP Morgan would be benefit greatly from joining Consensys. What it actually means is the Quorum blockchain will be delivering 320 banks all over the world. So there will be a bank-to-bank transfer. So there will be a business-to-business transfer. That is, money transfer will be in terms of JPM coin. Their partnership with Consensys will help the Quorum blockchain in order to perform that one properly. So JP Morgan would get more benefit from this joining Consensys, from this partnership. So this is a major thing, and in terms of investment, this main reason for the investment with Consensys is that they will maintain the system of the Quorum blockchain. So JP Morgan's will be getting more benefit from the business to business money transfer. And in terms of Consensys, it's also a major thing because Consensys faces in the previous years, Consensys faces major drawback, and they were removing the employees from their companies because of their drop in the market. Now, because of these investments and partnership, we can expect the Consensys can gain a certain potential from these partnerships. So that's all for today, guys. We have seen market analysis, we have seen technical analysis of the prices, we have seen the newses. Hope you would like this video. Please like and subscribe this channel to support this channel. I'll be delivering frequent updates on crypto markets. That's all for today. See you guys in another episode of Crypto with CryptoMac. Until then, signing off, CryptoMac.